There are a number of ways to rank the size of insurance companies. Companies can be measured by their market capitalization, the value of the company on a stock exchange, or by using sales figures, such as net premiums written in a year or how many policies were sold. Here, we examine the top 10 largest insurance companies by market cap, market share, and revenues. Key takeaways. Insurance companies are important players in the global financial economy, although they may not be as flashy as investment banks or hedge funds. Insurance companies come in many sizes and specialize in different policy lines, from health to life to property and casualty. Market capitalization, or market cap, is the value of a company's outstanding shares. Some insurance companies are mutually owned, in which the policyholders are the owners. When ranking insurance companies, it's important to categorize them according to their product line. Largest insurance companies by market capitalization. Market capitalization, or market cap, is the total value of a company's stock, and it is calculated by multiplying the number of outstanding shares by the current share price. It is a quick way of determining the value of a company in the eyes of investors. Companies with large market caps are generally established conservative investments. They likely experience steady growth and offer the least amount of risk. Mid-cap companies are also established but have high growth potential. Lastly, small-cap companies are often new companies with high growth potential. Investing in these companies poses the greatest risk because they are more vulnerable to economic downturns than the more established large and mid-cap companies. Investors can buy shares of publicly traded companies in the insurance industry. The largest non-health insurance companies by market capitalization on the world stock exchanges as of Q1 2022 are publicly traded non-health insurance companies. Company name market capitalization. Berkshire Hathaway, U.S., $714 billion. Ping An Insurance, China, $141 billion. IA Group, Hong Kong, $123 billion. China Life Insurance, China, $106 billion. Allianz, Germany, $89 billion. Cigna, U.S., $76 billion. Zurich Insurance, Switzerland, $67 billion. AXA, France, $65 billion. Humana, U.S., $55 billion. Munich, Germany, $39 billion. Market cap data as of March 1, 2022. Source: Yahoo Finance. Publicly traded health insurance and managed healthcare companies. Company name market capitalization. United Healthcare, UNH, $448 billion. CVS, $136 billion. Anthem, $109 billion. Cigna, $76 billion. Humana, $55 billion. Centene Corporation, CNC, $48 billion. Molina Healthcare, Mo, $18 billion. Bright Health Group, BHG, $2 billion. Multiplan Corporation, MPLN, $2 billion. Alignment Healthcare, ALHC, $1.6 billion. Market cap data as of March 1, 2022. Source: Yahoo Finance. Not all insurance companies are publicly traded. In fact, many insurers are structured as mutual companies, where policyholders of participating policies are essentially partial owners of the company. The mutual company model for an insurance company dates back hundreds of years, and there are certain benefits conferred on policyholders that do not exist with publicly traded, stock company, insurers. Largest insurance companies by sales and product line. It is useful to differentiate between the type of insurance, or line, that is being considered when considering the largest insurance companies. Using sales data is helpful as some of the largest insurance companies in the United States are not publicly traded and therefore their market value is not easily ascertained. Property and casualty. Property and casualty insurers write policies covering property such as real estate, dwellings, cars, and other vehicles. They also write policies dealing with liabilities that may be incurred by accident or negligence related to those properties to defray the cost of lawsuits or medical damages resulting from such incidents. The top U.S. Property and casualty companies in 2020 by net premiums written, the amount of money that non-life policies can expect to receive over the life of the contract, less commissions and costs, are. Company net premiums written. State Farm Group $66.2 billion. Berkshire Hathaway, BRK, a $46.4 billion. Progressive Insurance Group, PGR, $41.7 billion. Allstate Insurance Group, ALL, $39.2 billion. Liberty Mutual $36.2 billion. Travelers Group, TRV, $28.8 billion. USAA Group $24.6 billion. Chubb, CB, $24.2 billion. Farmers Insurance Group $20.1 billion. Nationwide $18.5 billion. Life insurance companies. Life insurance companies promise to pay out a lump sum benefit upon the death of the insured. Although actuarial science has created mortality tables to accurately estimate the future liability of policies to be paid, having financial strength ensures that these companies can meet all of their obligations while still earning a profit. Life insurance companies in the U.S. can be ranked by direct premium written, the number of new policies written directly and not reinsured. For 2020, company total direct premium market share. New York Life GRP $11.7 billion 6.75%. Northwestern Mutual $11.3 billion 6.52%. Metropolitan Group, MET, $10.5 billion 6.05%. Prudential of America, PRU, $10.1 billion 5.80%. Lincoln National $8.4 billion 4.83%. MassMutual $7.9 billion 4.57%. State Farm $5 billion 2.87%. Aegon, AGE, $4.9 billion 2.80%. John Hancock $4.7 billion 2.73%. Minnesota Mutual GRP $4.7 billion 2.70%. Health insurance companies. Health insurance companies provide policies to cover all or part of the policyholder's health and medical costs. Policies may be purchased individually or through an employer. Technically, the United States government is the largest health insurance provider in America through the Medicare program, Social Security, and Medicaid administered by individual states. Based on the National Association of Insurance Commissioners, NAIC, 2020 report.